So when I think about the exhibition, it's very much a fever dream. It's, you know, the girl's perfect bedroom. As you kind of walk through the space, you're confronted with these different elements. But I think once you start to sit with the pieces, you start to realise that maybe things aren't quite as they seem, and you start to notice these more unsettling or grotesque nature of the objects, and you walk through the spaces and you get to the final piece of work, which is the film behind me, which is Soft Bodies, Cold Machines, which is a 2-channel film that we've projected in the space, and we've designed the space to feel very immersive.
At arebyte Digital Art Center, we use projections as one of the main mediums or technologies that are part of the shows because of the dynamism and flexibility that they give to exhibition displays. Like thinking about how you can project on different materials, like really transform the image, its shape, its tonality, and play a little bit more with the color palette, or how the audience encounter the artwork through projections. And at the same time, projections are very important because in everyday life, like, people are using screens all of the time. So coming to the galleries and encounter the work through different mediums really makes a difference on how they perceive the artwork. Ultra-short projectors are particularly relevant for the work we do at arebyte because it allows people to immerse themselves into the artistic experience that the artist is trying to produce, including this exhibition where we can see like people approaching a girl's bedroom and actually inhabit it. Yeah. I feel the Optoma 5000 lumen projections and the fact that they also utilize laser has a very big impact in how people perceive the image, because it really allows you to show all of the details, and especially when you're working with digital render images and across film.
Projectors that are around 5,000 lumens has excelled the image quality of the work in particular. For this piece that I've made, being able to see the objects and the background isn't lost with what's in the foreground is really important to the textures and the overall vibe of the work. So it's been really great to be able to use such high quality equipment for this show, and it's really elevated how the films look, so I'm very happy.
And I also want to thank Ambie Drew for all the hard work. This is her first exhibition, so it's very important for us to show her work as a very best potential. And in that sense, I also want to thank Optoma and the Optoma team for supporting the partnership, because it has made a big difference in how we can display this artwork in our galleries.
I'd like to thank arebyte Digital Art Center and of course Optoma for sponsoring the show today. I hope that you guys can all come out to see it. The show is running from the 17th of April to the 2nd of August, and I hope that you enjoy it.